Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the adding a new column to the existing data frame. So we have created a data frame. The data frame name is orders df from the table called orders. So which contains the below columns order ID, customer ID, and till payment method. Now we are going to add the new column to this existing data frame. So which is going to be order year. So that can be created by using the order date. We use order date column. From this we extract the year. That year will be added in the end. Okay, let's do that. So we use with column method in a PySpark, and we have to provide the column name in a single quotes order year. After that, just year, we have to use year function. Inside that, orders underscore df dot order date. That's it. Okay, dot show. Since year is a function that needs to be imported from PySpark dot sql dot functions, okay, just import year. Now when I execute this script, a new column being added, that name is going to be order year, okay, 2024. And this is one column. Even we can add multiple columns at a time. Let's say I'll go to enter, click on enter with column again, and here order underscore month. Then we have to use month function. Inside that orders df dot order date. Okay, and we have to keep slash here because the code is divided into two lines. Okay, that's why we have to keep slash, otherwise it's not work out. And since month is a function, this needs to be added, otherwise we can see the error in the output. See, month is not defined, that's why we have to import month function from the library. This is fine. Now let's see. So a month order month column being added to the orders df data frame. Even though this column is not available in the orders table, we were able to add the column in the data frame. And see here, February, January month, February month, and so on, March month. So that's how we can add the new column to the existing data frame by using the with column method in a PySpark. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.